So if you have a molecular model and you want to convert from one stereoisomer to another, the atoms or groups that trade places are going to be connected to the same atom before and after. So the green bromine and this yellow hydrogen were connected to this black carbon both before and afterwards. To convert from one constitutional isomer to another, at a bare minimum, what is going to need to happen is that atoms or groups will trade places. And when they trade places, their connectivity will change, meaning they will trade places between different atoms. So the bromine in green and the hydrogen in yellow traded places to make a new constitutional isomer. You can also just take it all apart and put it together any way possible.